guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell by the title of this video and what I'm wearing, this is going to be a prom video, a prom get ready with me. Before you guys get confused and are asking why a college student is doing this, I know a lot of you guys are still in high school and are attending prom, so I wanted to show you what I would wear and how I would do my hair and makeup if I were going to prom. So yes, this is the hair and makeup that I would do if I were still in high school and were attending prom this year. I actually teamed up with JCPenney for this video, so they are sponsoring this video. Thank you so much to them. This amazing dress that I am wearing, I will show you more in a clip here. This is from JCPenney's prom shop. I think it's so beautiful. JCPenney has super affordable dresses for prom, but they're also really trendy and beautiful. So on March 17th, JCPenney is having an event at participating JCPenney stores. The first 40 people that visit the JCPenney prom shop will receive a prom emergency kit, which I wish I had that. I had so many issues at my prom, and I know everyone does, or their friends do, so that would be so awesome. You'll also get a prom passport with super great offers and deals that you can use throughout the store. You can get free prom hair consultations from the JCPenney salon and free mini makeovers from the Sephora area inside of JCPenney, which who doesn't want a mini makeover? Yeah, so I know prom can be a super stressful time and it's really chaotic, and JCPenney is just trying to make it easier, so you guys should totally check that out. I will be linking the JCPenney prom shop down below in the description, so totally go down there and click and check them out. I am going to be doing a little giveaway at the end of this video, so you guys should totally stay till the end and you can win a prom dress. It's either this one or another one, so stay tuned till the end. Yes, so anyways, I feel like I've been blabbing so much, but this is how I would do my hair and makeup if I were going to prom now. It's pretty natural, it's pretty close to what I would wear normally, but it's just a little bit extra. So if you guys want to know how I would do this or get inspiration for your prom looks, please keep watching. Okay guys, hello. Here I am, fresh-faced, straight out of the shower a bit ago, ready for my glow up. If you guys are OG viewers and you saw my get ready with me for prom back when I actually was going to prom, you would remember that I woke up with a giant pimple right in the middle of my forehead. And when I say giant, I'm not exaggerating, it was huge. Let me know if you remember that, but luckily I don't have that today. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face, because if you guys are going to prom, obviously you want your makeup to last as long as possible and look as flawless as possible for photos and for your date and whatnot. So I just came back from Mexico, so all my makeup is still in this traveling pouch, so I'm gonna like dig in here and try to find everything. Okay, so lately I've been using the Hydro Blur primer from Dermalogica, so I'm just gonna put this all over my face, but focusing it on my nose and forehead and just like areas that I feel like would get oily or are just more of my problem areas for my face. My nose always gets so red. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that. So priming my nose is a must for me. Okay, so on a normal day, I'm not really a foundation tinted moisturizer wearer, but because this is prom we're talking about, I'm gonna put on this Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. This is what I use if I do want my skin to look a little bit more flawless. So hopefully this is still my color. I got a little bit tanner in Mexico. I'm mainly burned, but yes, I'm gonna put this on with a damp beauty blender so my face looks flawless, or as flawless as it can look. Take a sip of my coffee. Isn't this the cutest mug ever? It's from Urban Outfitters. Okay, so I really didn't put that much BB cream on because I am one to like more of a natural finish where you can still kind of see like my freckles and stuff through, but I did put a little bit on. And then I'm going to put some concealer. This is my OG favorite concealer. It is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I'm gonna put this under my eyes, on my nose, and just any other spots that I kind of want to highlight and cover a bit. Everyone looks so crazy when they're doing concealer, like what the heck? Okay, taking my beauty blender once more, I am just going to blend this into the BB cream and into my face. Okay, so once I have my concealer blended in, I'm going to, why can't I speak? I'm going to set everything with a pressed powder. So the one I have currently is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin pressed powder. Looks like so, and like I said, I'm just going to put that all over my face to set all of that BB cream and concealer. Okay, so once my face is all powdered up, I'm going to start working on my eyebrows. This is the longest part of my makeup procedure, so bear with me. Basically, I start out by spooling them. If you guys have seen any of my makeup videos before, I'm just going to be doing the same thing for that, because you want your eyebrows to look fleeky for prom, am I right? Basically, this is the NYX micro brow pencil. I'm used to using the Anastasia one or a Benefit one, but I ran out of both and Target was all that's nearby me, and this is actually really, really great. So I'm using this in the color Taupe, and I'm filling in the front part of my eyebrows, kind of drawing more of a precise line. And then after I use this, I fill in the edges with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Okay, I brought you guys a bit closer. So as you can see, I kind of just drew a line under my eyebrow, and then I start to fill it up. And then, like I said, I fill in the rest. So that is what I'm currently doing. Okay, so once my eyebrows are all filled in, I'm setting them with my Ratchet Eyebrow Gel. This isn't even eyebrow gel. This is what I've used for the entire time I've ever used eyebrow gel. So if you guys have a recommendation for one that's not this, let me know. I mean, I do like this, but this is just the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara that's clear. I've always used this as an eyebrow gel, but I feel like that's not what it's meant for, so maybe an actual eyebrow gel would be better. I don't know, but you want to set these puppies in place, because when you're moving and grooving on that dance floor, why do I sound like an old person? Oh my gosh. Anyways, you don't want someone to like hit your eyebrows and then be like not fleeky anymore, so we're gonna plop this stuff on. This bottle's almost out, but I basically just comb my eyebrows into the place where I want them to be. It's pretty self-explanatory. This is just a good way to make your eyebrows look a little more defined and stay in place. Okay, so now that I'm done with eyebrows, I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow. Since the dress I'm wearing has some gold detailing, I kind of want to do like a shimmery gold eyeshadow look. I don't want it to be super dramatic. I know that's what I did at my prom, but I feel like if I were going to prom now, I'd want it to be a little bit more natural. So I'm taking this Becca palette. My aunt actually got me this, so Aunt Dana, if you're watching this, I really doubt you are, but if you are, thank you for this Becca palette. It's amazing, and all my friends are obsessed with it. But it has these really, really pretty shimmery colors, and I want to use like these golden ones. So, okay, so I'm basically just going to mix these two shades and kind of make it just a nice pretty gold color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. These colors are so pretty if you have a tan, and they're pretty if you don't have a tan, but oh my gosh, I just love them so much for the summer, and they just look so pretty, so I think they're perfect for prom. Okay, and then I'm going to take this lighter shade here, still like kind of a gold color, and I'm just going to place that on the center of my lids just to add a little bit of dimension. Normally I would do a crease color, but I kind of just want this eyeshadow look to just be a little more natural and shimmery, so I think I'm just going to leave it like that on the lid. I'm going to blend a bit. That's also the good thing about this look, is since it's so natural and light, you don't have to blend a lot, because I hate blending. Okay, and because all of the eyes are so shimmery, I kind of wanted to do a matte eyebrow highlight and inner corner highlight, so I'm just taking my Naked 2 palette, and I'm taking Foxy. It's just this matte beige color, and yeah, like I said, I'm just going to put this under my eyebrows, and then I'm also going to put it on my inner corners. And while I have this eyeshadow out, okay guys, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know how to contour and highlight, so I just kind of put stuff places sometimes and hope for the best, so don't yell at me, but I'm gonna take that same color and just put it a little bit on the tip of my nose and up the bridge of my nose. Okay, now for eyeliner, I would love to do a nice winged eyeliner, but I can't. I'm gonna be honest with you, I could not do it to save my life. I could half do one eye, like a little bit. It looks kind of decent from far away, but if I'm trying to do both, it just doesn't work. So if you guys are skilled, do winged eyeliner, because I think it's so pretty, but I can't. So I'm just gonna do a nice medium, slightly maybe a little bit thick line on my upper lash line. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to put a little bit on my lower lash line, but for this I'm using Urban Decay's Eye Pencil in 0. This one's a little less potent, so that's why I'm using this one. But I tend to focus it on the outer half of my lower lash line. I don't put it all the way in because that really makes me kind of look how I looked in 6th grade, like a raccoon. If it looks good on you, go for it. Yeah, so I'm just going to kind of put it, like I said, the lower lash line / waterline. Okay, so now once I've done that, it's time for mascara. You guys can totally wear fake eyelashes. I would, except when I wear them, I've said this before, I think I look like a hooker. I'm not even just saying that, like I don't like myself with fake eyelashes. I like myself with eyelash extensions, but not fake eyelashes, so unsure. But I would wear them. I would recommend wearing them if you like how you look in them. I guess that's kind of self-explanatory, but I'm going to apply the Falsies by Maybelline, so it's supposed to give me that effect. Okay, so once I am done with mascara, I'm going to add some blush and highlight. I'm not a huge contour girl. I really don't know how to do it very well. If I did, once again, I would probably try it out, but I'm not that great. So I'm just going to take NARS Orgasm on my cheeks and then Becca's highlighter in Opal on my cheekbones. So I'm just putting NARS Orgasm on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm taking the highlighter and putting it on my cheekbones. I just wanted this to be a really glowy look. I'm not normally a huge fan of lip products, but I recently got this lip gloss from Pixi and I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a rose gold color. It's in the color Cake. They're lip icing in Cake, but I'm just gonna put this on. It totally goes with the whole like glowy vibe. And then I think a must-have, especially for prom or events that you're going to be out late at, it is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. So I'm just going to set my makeup. Okay, so now it's time to tackle the mess that is my hair. Okay guys, so I'm currently in my bathroom. Hopefully this lighting's not too gross, but as you can see, my hair is just pretty wavy, and I think if I turn like this, you guys can see the back. Oh yeah, here's the back of my hair. So like as you can see, it gets really wavy. I am gonna curl my hair, but first I'm just gonna straighten this top part and these underneath parts because I don't want it to be like that and then curled, if that makes sense. Okay, so I kind of just like run the straightener over these pieces for a while until they look how I would want them to look when I curl it, if that makes any sense. Okay, so now that I've straightened the top portion of my hair, I'm gonna start curling it. The curling iron I use is this Numi 3-in-1 curling iron. I believe this is a 1 1/4 inch, but I basically just curl this away from the face, all away from my face, all over my head. So I'm gonna do that. I basically just section off half of each side. So I'll put the top part up, do the back, bring it down, so and so. You know what I was saying. Like I said, I just take pieces about this big and wrap them. I hold them for, I don't know, about till then. Let them fall, and then I hold them in my hand for a bit as they cool down, just to kind of like lock in the curl, I guess. And there is that one. So I'm gonna do a lot of my head. I feel like you guys kind of know what I'm doing, but once I get towards the end, I will come back. Okay, so I did all my hair. I'm just on like the last front section right now, but like I said, I just did the same thing all the way around, just curled it away from my face. I'm always so scared I'm gonna burn myself. I should be using the heat protectant glove, but I'm too lazy. So here we go. It looks like this. This is how I always comb my hair. I just think it's really flattering and like super pretty. And this is what it looks like from the back. I'm just gonna take this Not Your Mother's Double Take Finishing Texture Spray and spray this in kind of as like a hairspray sort of thing. yeah, that's it for hair. Okay guys, so now you know how I would get this look. I told you guys there was going to be a giveaway at the end, and there totally is. So JCPenney gifted me 2 prom dresses for this video. I opted to wear this one, but I still have the other one. These are my 2 favorite dresses from their prom shop, and as much as I love them, I'm not going to prom this year, and I don't really know where I'm gonna wear these, so I thought I would give them away to you guys. So the first one is the one that I've been wearing throughout this whole video. It is in a size 1, and this is a photo of the other dress. It is in a size 0, and it is a 2-piece little number. So if you guys want to be entered to win these, it's super easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to me and following me on my Instagram. If you guys want to enter, all you have to do is comment down below which dress you would want, why, and then also comment your Instagram handle so that I can check and make sure you're following me. Oh, and also like this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the rules for this giveaway down below. Not really sure how long I'm going to extend this, but like I said, everything will be in the description box, so check that out if you want to enter. I'll also be linking both of the dresses that I am showing and giving away in this video in case you guys want to get a better idea of what they look like. Yeah, so that's the video. I hope you guys found this helpful or entertaining, and thank you so much to JCPenney for partnering with me on this video. It was super fun to film, and it made me feel like a high schooler again. As always, I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. Bye!